Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I will be recreating this picture that Not Polish put up on their Instagram, and some of you guys voted for me to do it, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm starting off with this nail, a full nail of clear acrylic, because we're gonna do black and I don't want the pigment to ruin the clear. Next we'll be doing an extended nail bed for this French, and I'll be doing it on the pinky finger as well. Once I'm finished with those, then I'll move on to the nail that is a full nail of nude, and then I'll get into the black. Okay, so this is the nails after I filed and buffed them, and I'm just gonna create like that gold nail art that she had on the nails. So with some top coat and this gold glitter from Secret Nail Affair, I'll mix both of them and use a brush to add that line. And then for the clock, I'm gonna use some top coat and black to create like a sheer black pigment. And just for reference, this is the picture again. And yeah, just what should I do and see how I recreate this design. Okay guys, so for the thumb, I'm not sure what she had on her thumb, but I just came up with this design to put 2 swirls at the side and then that straight line in the middle. I'll also put some gems on it, but you'll see all of that once I'm through. Alrighty guys, so I ended up switching to my brush, my 4mm brush, to create the numbers on the clock, and this was pretty much it. I should have put a matte top coat down before I did any design. It would have looked better, I believe. But this is the end of the video. I'll show you the reveal coming up next. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.